Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy or swap Atom token. So first of all, you're just gonna need to have a digital wallet, which in this video I'm gonna use the MetaMask wallet. All you need is just to log in simply by typing your password. So let's say you don't have a MetaMask account. All you need to do is just go down below to our channel. You'll find how to make your MetaMask account. So let's say, for example, you already have your MetaMask account, so you have to just go here to the CoinMarketCap website, then go to the search button here, then type ATOM, and then press here at Atom. After that, you will just come right down here below and press at this icon. This icon will copy the address of the Atom token on the Binance Smart Chain network. So after you copy the address, you're just gonna go to the Pancakeswap website. Then you're gonna come here and hover this trade section, then press swap. After you do that, you should first connect your wallet to this website. You're just gonna press connect wallet, then choose your digital wallet. For me it's MetaMask. Then it's all done kind of. If you have any BNB in your wallets, it's gonna appear here to you. Then you're just gonna press add cake here, then paste the address of Atom token, then press import. I understand, then import. So that's kinda all of it. If you have any BNB in your wallet, you'll just maybe, let's say you have one BNB in your wallet and you want to swap it to a Atom token. So just gonna type here one, and they're gonna show you the amount of Atom token that you're gonna get, and then you just have to press swap here, and you're gonna be done. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you do like the video, please leave a like down below, and do not forget to comment, and let's subscribe. Thank you.